Morning guys, it's May 27th, 2020. This one here I got a call from a guy. He's got a couple of heat pumps and he wants me to go by and check them out.
Turn left on Rock Ogden Road.
We'll go by there. I think they're Train or American Standard units. So we're gonna go by there and put the gauges on them and run them on AC mode and see what's going on. It's right down by the water, so it's probably cooler down there.
Continue 1.25 miles.
I got the cover back on this one. We're gonna go check the filter on this one and then check this one. Check the filter and then run it, check the charge. This guy's got all this roof stuff on the ground in here. This is quite the setup. This is all stuff from like a roof. It's starting to get getting a little mucky here, but not crazy bad yet. But I have to get some new filters for the guy. 20 by 25 by 1. I gotta get some more. It's cooling. We're gonna check the AC. Check the charge. Nope, compressor's not starting. Got a bad capacitor. Compressor's not starting. Bad capacitor there. We got a 50. Oh, that's an 80. Might have one of them in the truck. The wire's all burnt, see it? That wire broke right off there, see it? The wire's not even connected. That's an 80. You can see it's all melted. Great. Alright guys, so the orange goes here. 2 oranges. And, I don't even know if this capacitor is any good because I don't have one. This is an 80. I don't think I have an 80. Let's check and see if it's even any good still. I don't have one, I'll have to get one. We'll see if it's still good. I gotta get one. 0. Yeah, capacitor's bad. just smoked. I gotta get some filters anyway, so I'm gonna get another capacitor. It's an 80 round. We'll come back and we'll finish this. Might have one in the garage. Alright guys, we're back here. We got these broken wires we gotta fix. These two orange ones, and we're gonna put I got the capacitor. The only way I could find is an 80-10. I'll just use the 80 part. It'll be good enough. It's good enough for this neighborhood. It's good enough for this neighborhood. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. I got the power off. See, it's all. There's no. It's not having any reading, so we gotta put a new one on there. The Herm and the Common. This one here is the fan. That's the only one I could get. This really should be a 440. See, this is a 440. That's a 370. That's the only one I could get for now. So we're gonna probably have to order some online because no one has them around here. So for now, that's gonna work. Just to get them by. When I get the other ones come in online, I'll have to come back and do it. It should be a 440 one, and I don't have one. It's only a 370, which is not proper. But it's the best I can do for now. That's the best I can do for now. And this red one's gonna need to be changed. I made a jumper up. Goes there. It goes here. We'll see if it starts now. It should. The other one's all cooked. We'll see if it'll start. Like I said, this is not the right one. I Should be a 440. 80 by 440, but I don't have, no one has them around here, so I'll have to get it online. I should do it for now. I brought them extra filters. I'll leave them up here in the attic where they'll be dry for next year. Yeah, it's on 65, so it should kick in and cool. System on, I'll put on hold. Hold for now. It's probably on a delay. I'm going to check the charge. Alright, so you can see the subcooling there at 13. It's actually a little bit overcharged. Superheat's about 25, which is fine. This is above 100, which is good. So I'm going to leave it right there. I mean, this is probably better off around 10, 9 or 10. It's a little overcharged. We'll just leave it like that, put it on like this for who knows how long. Coil's nice and clean. Coil's clean. This is looking a little rusty. We're gonna leave it right where it is. It's on. I'm gonna go up with it, and it's not high enough. 74 and push on hold. Complain about no heat, so that's why we're checking it. $118, that's good. 120. It's about 70 out here. So that's fine. I mean, it's going in nice and warm on the heat mode. So that'll be fine. Just wanted to make sure everything's working right for the guy. So this one's a 370. The one I took out was a 440. You're not supposed to drop down with capacitors. You're supposed to. You got a 370 in there. You could put a 440, but that's all that's available in my area. So I'll get a couple of more of these. I'll get a couple of more 80s to have in the truck, and maybe next time I'm by this way, I'll pop in and swap it out for the guy. But that's not the proper capacitor put in here because of the. I just want to make people aware of that. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do.